So there's this guy, in my yard. I think he might be a hobo. He really likes birds. See, it's like really weird. It's like, I'm gonna kill him. See the guy in my yard? Playing the bird? It's so weird. It's like, what's he doing in my yard? I go wherever I want. I do whatever I want. Messing in my yard. I'm gonna call the police. And take this stupid stuff.
You know
What
how
is that thing?
You know how they got in that grave? Because they were like you. I got my lawn and they said they were gonna call the cops. And they got too close to the bird.
This dumb bird. Always on my lawn, eating my seeds. Well, now you get it.
Drop the weapon.
What the heck? Oh!
Hello, my friend. This is my friend. His name is Clowny. Say hi, Clowny.
You tried shooting the bird.
Fire!
Nah.
Explosives!
Nah. We could beat it to death.
Chainsaw!
We could beat it to death.
Chainsaw! Look at the bird did to my face. It's flawless.
Look at what the stupid bird did to my hand. It hurts. Should we try?
My hand is flawless.
I know that. I know you said it. But like, how should we kill
And
the
my
bird?
other hand is flawless. I've heard someone's been planning to kill my bird. That's why I need this. This. They did to my bird. I will get them. I have a feeling they're not over.
Got him.
No one's killed my bird this much. I must plan now. No! No one touches my bird. La 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 la.